Want to learn how to apply the Shopify checkout hack, whether it's checkout nuclear or checkout conversion pirate in 2019 quickly and easily? I'm going to show you how to do it live right now. Let's go. Alright, so continuing on, you can see I've got someone, Charlene. So I just want people to understand the reason that I'm actually doing this is to teach people how to unlock the actual checkout. So you can see here, if I go back to the store, I've just made a test store, and I'll cancel it after this. I've got the Google Analytics field, and we've got the checkout nuclear hack, and I'm just on a live chat with them now. So basically went through a bit of crap with them, but I'm just going to go through it again. So I do this a great deal. I would like this unlocked so I can find the code to it to fire properly. Okay, so like while I wait for the response, like the code is there, so if I refresh the page, when it loads. Now keep in mind that it's best as well that you aren't on the 14-day, that you do have your card in here as well, okay? So otherwise they won't really listen as much. So I will just keep refreshing this. The way to do this is you have to wait for the response for them. And I might even have to go to multiple ones, so there might be multiple takes of this video. I have no idea how long it's going to be. I coincidentally today got in touch with Shopify and literally jumped the queue. Today's date being the 21st of April, and I believe that's probably because it's a public holiday weekend. I'm going to be in the shop. Yes, so I know. Well, so when this happens, okay, so basically when they say this, they say it was actually February the 1st, so the person's not 100% correct. That being said, anyway, I always turn it back on them. This doesn't always work. Sometimes they'll say that they need to speak to their other team. They'll be back in a few minutes. And when they're back in a few minutes, some of them will still say, nah, can't do. Some will say, okay, I've unlocked it. It's really important. I see a number of people, especially from my other YouTube videos, because I've got a couple of checkout hack videos, and that's why I wanted to add this one, and I might make it into a little playlist for people, is don't get off the phone with them until you've confirmed it actually launches. So like, you have to have a test product. I just made a test product here. If I go to checkout, now you can do it through the theme editor, or I prefer to actually do it through the online store because it's 100% a real live test. So as we see, it's still not firing right now, but the code is definitely there. Just got some bogus Google Analytics. All right, so let's go back. Okay, so I always like to add that it's like 100% safe for testing and stuff. They're customer service representatives. They don't handle all the politics and policies and all of that, because it is technically a checkout hack. And Shopify, as we can see there, they're not really in agreement with it. They use the pretext of security, which doesn't allow us gurus, they're not gurus by the way, to enable this feature for shops created after blah blah blah. And like, just what was it, about a week ago, I did it for a new store that was just like hitting $1,000 a day, and the person did it straight away. If you're in my Facebook group, you would have seen that screenshot. Pretty much did it straight away, but this is a good example actually to show you that some actually take a bit more convincing, some won't do it at all. Well, we do wait anyway. So what we can see here is that I just went to the Shopify Help Center. So if you aren't sure how to do it, you just go contact support. I just put, it really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. You just go get help. You don't want to go to the community. The community is useless, and you want to fix this now. It's one of those ones that live chat, whether it's call or actual live chat, is 100% necessary. Otherwise, nothing's ever going to happen. It'll just come back riff-raff, all that jazz. That's just the way it is nowadays. So then you can, call them. You can actually, I've never called, truthfully speaking. I've just never called. So I don't know if you have to be a US individual for that to really apply. Actually, sorry, they're from Canada. So I imagine it shouldn't be a problem, because most of their merchants will be from US. But you can call, but most people will just chat. And so, okay, thank you. So I just go with that. And as I said, I was actually really surprised. That's why if we have a look at the actual chat, you can see I was just genuinely surprised. What? I didn't expect it so quickly, because I just jumped straight into the live chat. It was really quick. Okay, but for those who are watching, again, I wanted to make this live so people understand 100% how this works. So what this is going to do if I and when can get enabled is, what it's going to do is we're going to have the trust badges under there. We're going to have some logos here. The apartment field will be hidden by default. The discount field will be hidden by default. Okay. Yes, I can. One moment. Alright, so this is what I mean. You have to be on live chat with them, and I refreshed the page, didn't make any change. Okay, so this is why, I'm actually from an IT background, so this is why this is pretty natural to me. But I wanted to provide this because a lot of people just say it didn't work, doesn't work, it's fake, all of that. It does work, and it is very powerful. And I want to explain why I wanted to make a featured video just on this, because so many people can't unlock it, and it is really important to optimize your checkout. Okay, so a lot of people, there's a lot of post-purchase upsell apps like Sweet Upsell, Reconvert. I use Reconvert. One-click upsell, Carthook. I use Carthook as well when I'm heavy scaling. But in the beginning, most people, you're probably using Reconvert because it's free and it's good. And so optimizing your checkout so that you can get the optimal conversions. Is irreplaceable. Okay, it might take you 10, 15, 20 minutes or so to do it, but it's something that you can completely control, that you can completely do. So there's no reason to not actually do it. All right. Okay, so if we refresh again, there we go, done. As simple as that. So within 5-10 minutes and not even fully concentrating, there we go, I've applied it. It's as simple as that. All you need to do, let me just message this lady, sorry. I always like to reward people that are nice to me. This lady is a very nice customer service agent. If you get her, you know that she's a lovely lady. So anyway, That is all I need. Thank you very much. Have a good day. So if we now end the chat, go away. So that is how you do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have the cards at the end to link to the actual checkout hacks. There's two. There's the conversion pirate and then there's checkout nuclear. This is checkout nuclear. It's 100% free. Okay, and I'm also going to be putting the links down below for where you can get it. Again, I want to be 100% transparent. This is not my creation. This is a person called Alex PNG. And he's got a YouTube channel called Alex PNG. Okay, and I'm going to put a link down below to attribute this to him. But I just wanted to teach people how to unlock this. For those wondering as well, there is also an even better version of this. So both checkout conversion pirate, okay, and conversion pirate checkout hack, as well as checkout nuclear. They both have paid versions of it. Okay, and I know both of them. And if I'm curious, do you guys want to see what the benefits of the actual paid ones are for those who are really interested to really take their checkout to that next degree? So like, because I might make a video on that if there's enough interest. So just comment down below, I guess, the word checkout hack if you're interested in that as well, in addition to the usual crush it, of course, because I'd really like to know, because I see so many stores that don't optimize their checkout and spend this 10-15 minutes, and you can see how it really wasn't hard. Lovely, most of the people are lovely, some aren't, but you just have to be persistent. At times you do have to be a bit more rude, but it's quite easy, okay? And so you can see how this instills more trust. Now, this is how it looks on desktop. On mobile, it looks even better, okay? It looks even more crisp, and that's what we really want. Now, mind you as well, the only reason I want to add, I should say, sorry, I just noticed something, was that I collect phone numbers. So I want to show you what it looks like when we have the eligibility for the phone number. So I make accounts optional, require last name. They can add their phone number to receive that hidden. That's optional, and this is required. Always make that required. Make those changes. Okay, and let's see how it looks now. Okay, we should see some extra fields. So yeah, there we do. So see how we got phone now, and see how we're gonna capture the email, get all their details, the address is hidden, and we've got their phone number, and it's as good as that. Okay, guys, it's really good. There's the different color variants. Again, this has all been linked below. I made this purely just because, truthfully, the checkout videos have been far more popular than I thought, and so as a result, people have been like, "Oh, this doesn't work," and I tell them, "Yes, it does. Contact support." And so I thought I'll make a video around this. Okay. And that concludes today's tutorial on how to unlock your Shopify checkout, additional scripts, JavaScript fields so that you can use Conversion Pirate, Checkout Nuclear, any hack that you have in any fashion that you like. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below, and comment crush it to go on the chance to win one of 2 15-minute coaching calls with myself, Ricky Hayes, just via Zoom. You're going to absolutely love it. Congratulations to today's winners. Your names are shown up on screen. Contact me on Instagram at Ricky Hayes IG so we can initiate that call together, and comment down below that you won it as well. Okay, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this as well, please comment down below. So comment down below, crush it to go in the competition, as well as comment what types of videos you want to see down below so I can really try and tailor it. I've been having a look at my analytics to try and see what videos, and people really like these where it's, really trying to help with their overall conversion rates, helping to get more sales come through the door. And I really enjoy doing these videos. I'm from an IT background, so for me it's actually just a bit of a fun activity for me to do. Okay, guys, so I hope you did enjoy today's video. Anyway, I hope you all have a lovely Easter. I hope you all have a lovely day as well. Take care and goodbye.